There is a square field of area n square meters. A cylindrical ditch of radius 7 meter and depth 4 meter is dug and the earth is taken out and spread over the remaining part of the square field. The height of the square field goes up by 1.54 meters. What is the value of n? Okay, so the question is telling me that there is this square field. Okay, this is the square field and the area is given to us as n square meters. So area of this square field is n. A cylindrical ditch of radius 7 meter and depth 4 meter is dug. Okay, so cylindrical field, a cylindrical ditch like this is dug on this field, and the radius of this ditch is given to us as 7 meters. So the radius is 7 meters and depth is 4 meters. So that means the height of this ditch is 4 meters. And earth is taken out and spread over the remaining part of the square field. This height of the square field goes up by 1.5 meter. Now what happens? This ditch is dug and the earth is taken out, earth or soil is taken out, and the soil is spread over the rest of the field like this. Okay, and by doing so, the height of the remaining field is raised by 1.54 meter. Okay, so when this ditch is dug out and the earth is taken out, it is spread over the rest of the field, and by doing so the height of this field is raised by 1.54 meters. We have to find out the value of n, that means the area of this entire field. Okay, so first of all we'll have to find out how much earth has been dug out. Okay, earth has been taken out. So whatever the volume of the cylinder be, it will be the same as the earth that is taken out. So first of all we'll calculate the volume of this ditch. Okay, so formula to calculate volume of cylinder is pi r square h, right? So for pi we'll write 22 by 7. Radius is 7, so 7 square will be 7 into 7, and height is 4. 7 gone, so we have 22 into 7 4s are 28. It will be 616 meter cube. Okay, so this much earth has been taken out, and now this much earth is to be spread over the rest of the field. Now what is this rest of the field? So now we have to find out the area of the remaining field, right? So the area here will be, how will we find out the area? What we'll do is take the area of this entire field, which is n, and subtract the area of this circle, because that's where the ditch is been dug out. Okay, so we'll take the area of this entire field, which is n, and subtract the area of this circle. So now n minus, formula to calculate area of circle is pi r square, right? For pi I'll write 22 by 7. R is again 7, so 7 into 7, 7 gone, so we get n minus 154 meter square. All right, so that means 616 meter cube of earth is to be taken out and spread over n minus 154 meter square area. All right, so this much is clear. Now pay attention here. Whatever the volume of the cylinder be, will be the same volume that will be spread out over the rest of the field, right? So that means the volume of ditch here will be same as volume of remaining field, because we are spreading the same amount over the field, right? So that means the volume of this ditch will be same as the volume of this field. Now volume of ditch we have just calculated, it is 616. So for this volume of ditch we'll write 616 is equals to, now volume of field, we don't know volume of field, but we know the area of this field we have just calculated, it is n minus 154, and when we multiply this area by height we'll get the volume. Okay, now height is given to us as 1.54, because after spreading the earth the field is raised by 1.54, so the height becomes 1.54. So for h we'll write 1.54. Now getting rid of these two decimals, we add two zeros on the left hand side. Now 154 ones are, and 154 4 is a 616 00. So we get the value of n as 400 plus this 154 is equals to 554, and this is our required answer. So here option D is the correct one.